This is what it looks like. Snowstorm 2020. Ricardo, a la galería llena de nieve. La galería. This is what it looks like in New York City, in the Bronx. So I just wanted to show you guys the snow.